Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of arrow keys not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is that you have to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, scroll down, select keyboard. Make sure to switch all of these switches off for sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Once this has happened, the next solution will be to update the keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now scroll down and expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and update them. Right click on the second one and update them. The next one is to right click on the start button, select settings, select Windows Update and update it to the latest version. Now see, as far as the keyboard itself is working and the issue is only with the arrow keys, there's nothing else that we can do at the software level. After this, you will have to check the keyboard on a different computer and replace it if required, or if it is an internal keyboard, then you will have to call a hardware technician to check it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.